How to log in to your Capital One UK credit card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Capital One UK credit card account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On a web browser, search for Capital One credit card login. After you do that, here you'll find the sign in option for UK. Tap on that and it should take you to this website. So to continue to sign in, you will need to access your Capital One's account. So let me tap on this, tap on go to your account. And after I go there, I'll basically need to sign in. So you can also see the sign in option right here. You can go through with that as well. And right here, you can use your email address or your username. You can also manage a different card. And here, type in your password. After you do that, tap on sign in and then you're logged in into your account. It's basically that simple, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, take care and bye-bye.